Okay, hi, so my name is Emily and this is my first blog post ever. So today is the second day of the, actually today's Tuesday and it's spring break and I don't really have anything to do, and right now it's 11 a.m. and So one thing that I really enjoy doing is cooking, especially cooking for other people. I really enjoy sharing what I love, with other people. So here I have some diced up onions, some sliced beef, and TYJ spring roll pastry. So I'm going to make a cheeseburger spring roll. So I've cooked the onion and the beef, and now I have my wax paper here, and I have my cheese. I added some shredded cheddar cheese. So here's some cheese, some beef, some onion. So here's 24 spring rolls all rolled up. I know I keep saying hamburger spring roll, but I feel like they're more of a Philly cheesesteak spring roll. This is my homemade this is delicious. Look what's inside Philly cheesesteak spring roll. Huh. So here I just grind up some cauliflower. Well, I chopped it up, didn't really grind it up. I'm gonna make cauliflower fried rice, and I'm gonna put Chinese sausage, egg, and bean sprout in it. This is the cauliflower fried rice. It has egg, bean sprout, onions, cauliflower, and sliced beef.